Hey guys, welcome to Blacktop Cruisers. We're going to do a quick unboxing review of a tool. I wasn't going to do it, so I've already got some of this started. So I'll take a better before picture when I'm done. But anyways, what we are reviewing today is Harbor Freight's Pittsburgh 3-jaw hydraulic gear puller. 5-ton force, so that 10,000 pounds of pulling force. Heavy duty steel construction, reversible jaws for inside outside pulling, 16-inch handle with cushion grip. So here it is. And I mean, it comes with a really nice plastic case. My complaint: you have to rip the whole thing apart to use the case. So you're spending valuable time putting this together, tearing it down, putting it, I mean, for me, I'm going to use this like maybe once a year, whatever. It's not going to get used much, so it's not a huge deal. But if you are in the trades and this is something you're going to use on a weekly basis at least, that could be frustrating. So basically, it comes with nothing on here. You spin on the collar, and then it's a 3-jaw puller, so you got 3, and you use the nuts and bolts, put a washer in between the nut and the bracket and the bolt in the bracket, and you do that 3 times. And then there you go. You're assembled and ready to go. Now this is not a small machine, and basically this is my last resort trying to get this axle out of the hub for our SVT contour. As you can tell, I've beat the ever-loving piss out of it, and you can tell just a little bit in there how much it moved. I've used all my other traditional pullers, so now we're on to serious business. So we're going to give this a try and see how it works. Ooh. Wow. There she goes. Wow. Well, all right here. Well, finally got it, and luckily it's going to slide through no problem. Oops. But I really feel like I had this old girl maxed out. She was not happy, so now turn it to off and it automatically pulls back. So that's nice. So there must be an internal spring or something. Now we tear it apart, put it back in the box for next time. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for some more videos.